Guys, let's look at this analysis on Boom 500. Remember, you guys should always take this very serious because it will help you to make some good amount of money even if you are not having the custom made indicator or the automated trading bot. Okay, the reason is if you are taking the last signal I posted, your trading results would have been like this, and it even ended in more profit at the end of the day. Okay, so this is very, very important. So that is why you should take this serious. Okay, so let's go straight into what we are right here. If you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family? And of course, guys, if you have any question at all, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we are right here. This is Boom 500, and of course I'm going to go take it down to 30-minute time frame. This had been on downtrend right from this. Sorry about that. I'm going to change the color of my pen to white right from this resistance zone. You can see it has been selling and selling, but it got to this support zone. It is having a buy signal at the moment, but it was unable to go above this. So if you should notice, this has given us a letter M, so it is selling at the moment. So I'm going to narrow it down again. This is Boom, I mean 15-minute time frame. You can see this is giving us a letter M, so we are most likely to get this at this spot again. Okay, so I'm still going to narrow it down again so that we get to see what we are talking about. So this is it again. So if you should notice, this is it on 5-minute time frame, resistance zone, and it has gone like this. And of course you can see that it is coming down. So let's see what we should spot out. Okay, so right here we can see this, guys. So it means that it will get to this spot, and we are most likely to have it around there. So which means it will get to this spot, and we are most likely to have it around here. Okay, so this is going to be a long selling opportunity. Okay, guys, so you guys should take advantage of this opportunity right away. So right now it is about getting to this profit zone, TP. So that is the first TP right now. Actually, we've gotten some TPs at the top, okay, which happen to be somewhere here, somewhere here, and of course that has gone already. So right now we are almost getting to the next TP. Once it gets there, then we should be looking at somewhere here, and if it breaks out from there, then we should be looking at the next TP, which is going to be somewhere here. Okay, I will advise us to take it around here. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of this and use it to milk the market successfully for yourself. Okay, but as you're placing your order, make sure you set your stop loss. That part is always very, very important. Okay, so if you love this content and you want more of this, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family? And I will also be sharing more trading tips in the Telegram channel, so you can also join the Telegram channel right now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.